In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flowchart.fun. First, open your browser and head to Flowchart.fun. This site lets you create clean, shareable flowcharts by writing simple text, and it updates the diagram for you in real time. You can look around without signing in, but if you want to save your work and access it later, you'll want to log in. Click the Login button. On the Sign In page, choose Sign In with Google. You may see the Google option more than once during the redirect. Just click it again if prompted. Select the Google account you want to use, and then click Continue to approve access. This is the standard Google consent flow. Review the permissions and proceed so you can save and manage your charts. After you're signed in, you'll land in the editor with a default file already open. This is a great starting point because it shows how the tool works. The editor area contains example text for a basic flowchart, and the diagram preview updates as you edit. Try changing a label or adding a line of text to see how the structure changes right away. The key idea is simple. You write the outline of your flow in text, and Flowchart.fun turns that into a diagram for you. If you want your chart to match your style or brand, open the theme options. Here you can switch color schemes and styling so the flowchart is easier to read or better suited for presentations. Change a theme and glance at the preview to make sure contrast and spacing look good. At the top, you'll also see handy learning and content options. Examples opens ready-made charts you can load to learn by imitation. Learn Syntax explains how to format your text so the tool knows what connects to what. Perfect if you're new or want to level up quickly. Load File lets you bring in a chart you've saved on your computer, and Import Data helps you bring external information into a charted format for quick visualization. There's a Charts area where all your diagrams live. Use it to review what you've made and keep things organized. When you're ready to start something fresh, click New. You'll see suggested templates that give you a head start on common structures like processes or decision trees. Pick one that resembles your goal, then customize the text to fit your content. That's it. You've logged in, explored the editor, adjusted themes, learned where to find syntax help and examples, and seen how to manage and create new charts. Go ahead and experiment. Small text edits can produce big improvements in clarity.